let's go up. Now we finish all the like down concrete parts. First slab. Let's go to the first slab and calculate slabs. Slabs are actually easier to calculate. Very straightforward and easy. I mean the flat slab, like this style of slabs. Okay. So what can we do now? If it's straightforward slab like this, no, this is not, because there is some projections here and some projections here and some projections. So we will do one of two things. If you have AutoCAD, okay, take the full let's first scale to 20.20. Okay, and we'll scale it from here up to here. Okay. Okay, so my friends, if you have AutoCAD, you can take like area, I don't know, like area, and do to the end of each one, take everything. Okay, okay, and then later you deduct the deductions, like deducting the beams, like what we did in the slab on grade or something. But in this software, it make it easier for you. Slab, what can we do? Just take the area directly for the slab. If there is a projections outside, I prefer the way of deduction. But for me, I'm kind of lazy, man. So I will do like this. This is the edge of the slab. Go on it. I will not take the beams, but I will take the columns with me, because the slab takes the columns with you. Okay. If in case of free columns, take it with you. Other columns will take it us with the beams. Okay, like this. There is no different slab thickness or something, so it's straightforward. Okay. Okay, we finished the internal part of the slab, and take this column with you, or take it with the beam, whatever your choice. Okay. All I need is the calculation of the slab. Now, okay, and then we'll take the projections alone. Like we'll do this. Okay. New selection means that you are continuing to calculate the area. Okay. Wait, I have to change this fucking mouse pad. One minute. I'm sorry, guys, but this is a fucking mouse pad that really sucks. It totally sucks. Sorry for interruption. Just change the mouse pad. It's still bad, but better than the last one. Okay, I'll do it like this. This is like fractions, but we need it. We need it to make our calculations, because this will be casted with the slab, so we have to consider. لا شوف يا باشا. Also this. Okay. The level of accuracy here actually varies from person to person. You know, some perfectionists, some people who like to make it very, but I tend to focus on how to make it faster and accurate, especially in this small stuff. It won't matter. So as you can see, to the left, the numbers too is changing per fractions, not as big, you know? But we have to make it. Okay. Okay. That's it. Now you finish the slab. What's the slab? 211.6. Okay, let us smoke a cigarette. 1 second. 211.6. Please don't stay like here, because this will show you the area only done, and if you stayed here will show you the area only for this part. No, we want the total. 211.6 from left. Take care, take care, take care. And what's the thickness of the slab? Slab thickness is 24. Usually it's written here, but just don't take it from sections. Never take it from sections. I mean these sections. Don't take anything regarding the slab from the here or so, because this sections is models. It's not exact. Okay, 24 centimeters. So 211.6 by 24. So where is the slab of the ground floor or first floor slab, whatever you want to mention it? 211.6. Yes, or yes, by 0.24. Okay, no need for deductions, because if you will make a volume deduction, you will show you later, but no need now. This is old stuff. Okay, just make sure. Okay, now let's count the beams. Okay, so we will neglect the slab now. Beams, all the beams luckily is the same size, so you will make here beams first floor. DB means drop beams, huh? It's the same. Okay, so most of the villas I will give you is almost typical, not all, but most beams. Okay, here like this. Here, take this column with you. This, this, take this. Okay. I take this column on the slab. I'll take it also. I will not take it also, because I already take it with the slab. So let's take from here. Okay, don't take the column 2 times. Okay, because this took this part, so I stop here. Now the beams, how much? 72.6. 72.6. In case you do deductions, you will do this. You will here make an equation of this multiplied by this multiplied by the volume, because this volume deduction, not area deductions. Okay, finish the first floor slab. Let's go to the roof slab. Adjust the page. See how easy and straightforward is the process? It's easy, very easy. Okay, just scaling operation 4.4. okay, whatever, I just usually take care, make sure that the horizontal and the vertical is right. Okay, so this is probably right. Yeah, okay, just a check. We'll do the same thing here. Here the edge of the slab is here at the end of the stair, because this area X is void. Okay, so let's do again slab. Make it like this. Okay. This has more projections, so we'll spend some time on the projections here. Just let's finish the plain normal easy slab. It's not very typical of the first floor, but I think it's almost typical. Okay, what else? Yes, now time for projection. So you just press here and new selection, because you're calculating the area in a different place, not the same polyline or not at the same box. Okay, and remember this column we didn't take with the with the slab, so you'll take it with the beams. Okay, you'll calculate the projections alone. Okay, this is not a projection, this is a beam. Stop here, here. Okay, now there's no more projections, only this one. Now we've finished your slab. Okay, what is the slab? It's 210.8. What's the thickness of the roof slab? 25. 210.8.25. Okay, this is the slab. What about the beams? Oh, there is a lot of beams here. Wow. Okay, so we'll have some time with the beams here. So it says beam 1 and 2 and CB1. Okay, so we'll go like this. Beam 1 and 2 and CB1. I want to just repeat something. This BLL means landing level, at the landing level. Sometimes you will put BLL and dash B. That means there is two beams in this area, so you will calculate it twice, but it's not happen here. Okay, so B1 and B2 and CB1 is the same, so we'll make like this: B1, B2, CB1. Okay, and take care while you're calculating. Okay. B1 and 2, easy. BLL usually it's B1 and 2. There is will be a section in the stair for BLL. Where is the staircase? I didn't copy it, but BLL is there. You can take a look at it later. You'll find it in the staircase sections. B2. Take this column. B1, CB1, CB2. Forget B3, 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 B3. No, not in our scope. Okay, B1, CB. Okay, and B2. Okay, now we finish B1, B2, CB2. 63.9. So DB1 and 2, CB1. What? How much? It's 63.9. Okay, 63.9. Okay, now we'll make another maybe 3 or maybe 2 or whatever cells. Just make sure that the cells is correct. Okay, which is the next beams? B3. There is nothing. B3 and CB3 and B3 is the same, so B3, CB3. Okay, calculate the length. Okay, it's 9.8. okay, 9.8. and what's the dimensions of these beams? 20 by 1.1. 20 by 1.1. okay, B3 and CB3. okay, now let's go to B4. okay, what is B4? 20 by 20. That's a very small beam. It's decoration. 25 by 25. B4. okay, now B4. Sorry, we'll this not count segment. B4. okay, B4, 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 B4. okay, now how much is B4? 16. B4, you have to write for me. I have to know that you have checked all the beams. okay, this is B4, B4, B4. Where is there is another B? CB2, 20 by 80. Where is CB2? Can you see CB2 here? I cannot see any CB2 here. This one. CB2, 20 by 80. Actually, we didn't calculate B2 and CB2. Okay. You have to correct this B2. That's what's beautiful about this software. If you have a mistake, you can correct it. So the B1 and 2 is 70.7. Yes, 70.7. 70.7. And CB2 is 0.2 by 0.8. How much? Is very small actually. It will be like this. 1.2 only. Okay. 1.2. 1.2. CB2 is 1.2. That's it. Okay. Still something. They forgot actually, because they have one minute, because there is a top roof here. There is another slab above this area, but I didn't think they included. First roof slab. No, they didn't include it actually. We'll have to go to the AutoCAD, because I forgot to get it from, because you know there is a top roof slab over there. Okay. One minute, I will go get the roof slab there and come back to you. Ladies and gentlemen, back again. Now there is a final slab we didn't consider with us, the top roof slab. Top roof beams, and sure, it's a slab, it has beams, and then there is here top roof slab. Okay, which consider the same. What's that? No, I didn't mean anything like that. Top roof slab volume, it will apply the same. I'm just making it, preparing everything. Okay, just because we actually copy the equations. Okay, plus this. Okay. I have the drawings now because it was missing. I didn't copy it from the AutoCAD. So top roof. Okay, put it here. See how easy and flexible this software is. Okay, this is the top roof layout. Make our scale as usual 4.4. okay, just for making sure, yes, we're on the right track. Okay, so the slab, just to be very fast about it, this is supposed to, slab thickness 20. Okay, so this is the slab top roof. This 19.35. 35.2. okay, no, that's, and make sure that's okay. And the beams is the one beam, I think it's like 0.2, 0.5. One second, I closed the file. Okay, beam, top roof beams 0.2 by 0.5, and so beams, parameter beams, we could stand here and see the linear parameter, but I prefer to take the parameter of the beams from outside. Okay, beams 19.1. okay, 19.1. so you have to include this, because all this beam was not included. This, I think the command is working here. No, not command. Okay, so we make it manual, plus, because this is related to the villa. Okay, service block would be only this. That's it. That's the slabs. Let's go to the service block. Okay, very easy, straightforward. 0.250, and the slab thickness is 20. Okay, so here the slab thickness. I'm just preparing randomly, playing around and preparing at the same time. You save each step you save you time. Okay, slab for the surface block. Okay, here it is. Okay, this is the slab for the surface block, which is, I don't prefer looking, but this is because I take it one piece, so I can look from here, but usually you have to look from here, but it's one piece, so no problem. 73 point, because you know, for example, if again, because this mistake is not good, there is another area here and there is another area here, so if you stand here it will give you here, so, and you neglected these, no, not good. But here is the total, you understand me? Just okay, 73.85, 73.85, that's for the surface block. And the beams, just parameter here. Okay, and here it's done. Okay, 41.2, 41.2, that's it, that's the beam, that's the slabs, that's the beam. Just make sure you calculated all the slabs, the beams of the villa is calculated in one cell, the beams of this, the slabs is calculated in one cell, the slab is calculated here, of the service block, which is make it easier for me then to work. Okay, thank you very much. This was the slab and the beams. Thank you.